The 1992 Ford F250 4x4 is a classic heavy-duty pickup truck that represents the strength and durability of early 1990s American truck engineering. Built by Ford Motor Company, the F250 was designed for serious work, towing, hauling, and off-road capability, making it a trusted choice for farmers, construction workers, and truck enthusiasts. The 1992 F250 came with several engine options, including the well-known 5.0L and 5.8L V8 gasoline engines, as well as the highly respected 7.3L IDI diesel engine. The diesel version, in particular, became famous for its long life, strong torque, and reliability under heavy loads. These engines were paired with manual or automatic transmissions designed to handle tough working conditions. One of the key strengths of the 1992 F250 4x4 was its rugged construction. It used a strong body-on-frame design, heavy-duty suspension, and reinforced drivetrain components. The four-wheel drive system gave it excellent traction on mud, snow, gravel, and rough terrain, making it highly capable in both work and off-road situations. This generation of the F250 is part of the Ford Bullnose and early OBS, old body style, era, which is now highly appreciated among collectors. It marked a transition period where Ford trucks were becoming more refined while still maintaining their traditional toughness and mechanical simplicity. On the road, the 1992 F250 delivers a firm and powerful driving experience. It is not designed for comfort like modern trucks, but rather for durability and load-carrying strength. Its steering, suspension, and drivetrain all reflect its heavy-duty purpose. The truck's towing capability is one of its strongest features. Depending on configuration, it can tow heavy trailers, equipment, and boats with confidence, especially when equipped with the diesel engine and proper axle setup. Fuel economy is modest, typically around 10 to 15 miles per gallon for gasoline engines, while the diesel variants offer slightly better efficiency under load. However, performance and reliability were the main priorities, not fuel savings. From a design perspective, the 1992 F250 has a classic, boxy pickup appearance with a wide stance and strong road presence. It reflects the simple and functional styling of early 1990s trucks before modern aerodynamic designs became common. Inside, the cabin is straightforward and built for durability. Controls are simple, materials are tough, and everything is designed to handle long-term use rather than luxury comfort. Higher trims offered more comfort features, but the focus remained on practicality. Today, the 1992 Ford F250 4x4 is highly respected among classic truck enthusiasts. Many examples are still on the road due to their durability, and well-maintained trucks are becoming increasingly collectible, especially diesel-powered versions. Overall, the 1992 Ford F250 4x4 stands as a true heavy-duty classic, combining strength, reliability, and old-school truck engineering into one dependable machine built to handle the toughest jobs with ease.